একটা আছে, এটাই আজকের লাস্ট। ওইটাও দেখুন, ওই ছেলেটা, একটা ছেলে লিখলো যে হচ্ছে না। হ্যাঁ, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে আপনাকে পাঠিয়েছি। তাহলে ছেড়ে দিন, আপনি 3:30টা ঢুকেছে কিনা দেখুন। আপনি যদি সেইভাবে আপনার ওখানে ফোকাস হয়, ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে সকাল 10:30টার সময় একটা ভিডিও রয়েছে, ওটাই আপনি মারুন আর দেখুন যে ওরা শেষ অবধি মিডিলে কোনো গোলগোল ধরা করে। একটা স্টুডেন্ট আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করলো যে ওরা वो तो सिस्टर को मालूम है, वो जब रहना निकले ना, वो नॉर्मल सभी दुकान में मिलता है। क्या पेट्रोल मतलब এটা আপনি নোট করুন, সিস্টার থেকে মার্ক টুথপেস্টের নামটা নোট করুন। আমি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে আপনাকে পাঠিয়ে দিই, ছেড়ে দিন, এটা স্টার্ট হয়ে গেছে, ছেড়ে দিন। Okay, good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. In today's concluding session of number systems, today is the last session of number systems, and after today, from the next session onwards of this MBA BBA, we'll be doing some other topics. So today is the last session of number systems. So basically, in this session, there are some important identities. Number one, a to the power n minus b to the power n is a minus b into a to the power n minus 1 plus a to the power n minus 2b plus a to the power n minus 3b square up to b to the power n minus 1. This identity is true whether n is even or odd, both. It is true for both the cases. It is true for n is equal to odd. It is also true for n is equal to even. And this identity is a very common one if you take some examples, like a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So that is one example of this identity. Another example of this identity is, suppose if you say a square minus b square, so that is a minus b into a plus b. So there are quite a few examples of this identity, but the point is that this identity is true for both n equal to odd as well as for n equal to even. Then we have identity number 2. If a to the power n minus b to the power n, you want to factorize it, the answer will be a plus b into a to the power n minus 1 minus a to the power n minus 2 into b plus a to the power n minus 3 into b square, and the last one will be minus b to the power n minus 1. Now this identity is true only when n is even. For example, you can have a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 and it will start with a plus b. So the factorization of this will start with a plus b only when n is even, otherwise it will not. So this is identity number 2. Identity number 3, a to the power n plus b to the power n is a plus b into a to the power n minus 1 minus a to the power n minus 2b up to b to the power n minus 1. Okay, sorry for that interruption. Number 3, a to the power n plus b to the power n is a plus b, a to the power n minus 1 minus a to the power n minus 2b up to b to the power n minus 1 if n is odd. So this is identity number 3. So these are the 3 identities which are extremely important identities, and we know these identities, but we know them by some other example. Like like I told you earlier, this is a cube minus b cube. Similarly, a cube plus b cube. So we know these identities, but we know it by certain specific examples. But I would recommend that you remember it in this form. It is very helpful. So this is the topic for today, and this is the concluding topic of number system. And from next session, we'll be moving on to some other topic. And now I'll give you the corresponding homework. Okay, the first homework question is, what is the greatest common divisor, which basically means HCF. So what is the greatest common divisor of 2 to the power 100 minus 1 and 2 to the power 120 minus 1? Greatest common divisor is another name for HCF. So find the HCF of 2 to the power 100 minus 1 and 2 to the power 120 minus 1. So question number 2, find the greatest common divisor of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to 100 ones and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to 60 ones. Question number 2, find the greatest common divisor of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to 100 ones and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to 60 ones. And the options are 1, 1, 1 up to 40 ones, 1, 1, 1 up to 25 ones, 1, 1, 1 up to 20 ones, 1, 1, 1 up to 60 ones, and none of these. This is question number 2. Okay, question number 3. What is the remainder when 43 to the power 101 plus 23 to the power 101 is divided by 66? Options are 2, 10, 5, 0 and 35. Okay, and there's one more question. Just a minute. Okay, the fourth homework question is 30 to the power 65 minus 29 to the power 65 by 30 to the power 64 plus 29 to the power 64. Let this whole thing be equal to x. So the options are x is between 0 to half, second option x is between half and 1, third option x greater than 1, fourth option none of these. So this is question number 4. So these are the 4 homework questions for this last session of number systems, and from the next session we'll be doing a different topic. So that's it for this session. Thank you, and I'll conclude this meeting now. Bye all of you.